Joy Kinya from Meru. The reason why I'm here today, I'm here to learn and connect with these amazing people that I've seen here today. My expectations for this workshop is to learn the skill of entrepreneurship, because I believe it's a skill that once you finesse it, you're sorted for life. I'd rate my experience here as out of 10, 10 over 10. Let me just say 10 over 10 because I've got to learn a lot. I wasn't expecting this. This is beyond what I was expecting, so I'm happy. The workshop really got us thinking deeper into what we want to actualize and execute into our future. Maybe the questions were kind of tricky or maybe ambiguous, but I understand why they were like that, because we were supposed to they're open-ended questions. You're supposed to answer what you think, what is in your mind, so that you're able to understand what you're talking about, what you want to achieve as an entrepreneur. So I think we're good.